Draw and state the quadrant in which the following points are located. Assume any distances. So front view is below xy line and the top view is above xy line. Capital B, front and top views below xy line. Capital C, front and top views above xy line. And capital D, front view above xy line and top view is below xy line. So first we are going to analyze this problem. So front view below xy line means, so front view image is always on the vertical plane and the top view image is always on horizontal plane. So front view below xy line means the vertical plane will be below xy line. So the vertical plane is below xy line. You can see here the vertical plane below xy line. So this is the xy line we are considering. And top view is above xy line. So here the horizontal plane will be, the image of the top view will be on HP. So it comes above xy line. So that HP will be above and VP will be below. So this is possible only in third quadrant. So obviously this is in third quadrant. You can see here this is the horizontal plane and this is the vertical plane. Next, point B, front and top view is below xy line. So front and top view, that means VP and HP always below xy line means it will be in fourth quadrant. So you can see here in the fourth quadrant the front view is below xy line and also when HP is rotated, so the top view will also becomes below xy line. Point capital C, front and top view will be above xy line. So that means you are in the second quadrant. The front view is above xy line, the front view is above xy line and also the top view is also, when it is rotated, it becomes above xy line. So front and top view is above xy line. It is in second quadrant. And capital D, front view is above xy line and the top view is below xy line. So obviously VP is above xy line and HP is below xy line. So that means HP is rotated down, so that you will go to get it in first quadrant. So this is how you will be able to see when it is in the step 2, the horizontal plane and the vertical plane, the front view is below xy line and the top view is above xy line, and both front and top view is below xy line, that is second fourth quadrant, and front and top view is above xy line, so the front and top view is above xy line. And D, front view is above xy line and the top view is below xy line, so you are going to get the first quadrant. So this is how we can analyze this problem when it is in space and also when it is been projected onto the respective planes. Now we will going to see the actual solution. So first you draw xy line and mark xy line. Consider any projector here. Since he says top view is above xy line and the front view is below xy line, so that means, and it can be any distance because he has not mentioned any distance. So A, the top view above xy line, and A dash, the front view below xy line, so A dash. So top view is above xy line and front view will be below xy line. This is possible only in the third quadrant. So point capital A lies in third quadrant. Similarly, consider any distance with respect to the projector A and draw a vertical projector. Since he says in point capital B, the front and top view is below xy line, so obviously this distance B dash and B can be any distance with respect to the xy line. And since in the second, this will be lies in fourth quadrant, because in fourth quadrant both VP and HP will be below xy line, so B dash and B will be below xy line. So B lies in fourth quadrant. And again you draw a vertical projector at any convenient distance from B, and then he says front and top view is above xy line. So this is possible only in the second quadrant, wherein C and C dash both will be above xy line. And then draw a vertical projector at some distance from the projector C, and he says the front view is above xy line, so D dash will come above xy line and the top view will going to become below xy line, so D will going to come below xy line. So this is possible only in the first quadrant, therefore capital D lies in first quadrant. So this is what we need to write in the final solution in the sketchbook. So this will be the analysis in 3 dimensions.